This is this beautiful talk put on by Maitland Gallery and University of Newcastle. It really was here just to help inspire the kids to get everyone together and listen to different people's stories, their walks of life, what they've been through.
I started off by doodling, doing scribbles and really just practicing my signature that I loved to just letter all the time, and from that love I just turned it into a business. So I went from passion to a project to then a profit, and from there it's just stemmed.
A lot of the creative processes that I went through when I was young really still kind of inform my work today, but also being super creative when I was young helped me to kind of narrow my vision of what it was that I wanted to do and what I wanted to focus on.
What was beautiful about today was everyone was really honest about the experience, and to say that we've all taken these different paths, but the one connection between all of it was everyone was following their own hearts about what they were drawn towards.
I think you have to be creative from a young age because that's when you're most fearless. And it's not really about having confidence or being ready, it's just about being fearless in the pursuit of whatever it is that you're chasing.
My message for young creatives would just be to do as much as possible, try everything, just make sure that you feel fulfilled in what you know is your choice that you make for the rest of your life.
Courage is more important than confidence. So when you are young, you feel so unconfident. You go, I can't do this, I don't know how to do that. Doesn't matter, we all feel it. It's about having that kind of innate courage and just pushing yourself and keep trying things that you know you're interested in and following that path. And it's beautiful to be able to have that opportunity to kind of keep getting that message across to the students.